So I've got a speaker here that has several problems. One of the problems here is that the dust cone has been smashed in, and so I've taken this off and I cannot get behind it, which would be just awesome, but I can't do that. And so I tried putting a piece of tape on there and pulling it back to no avail. So I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try and jerry-rig this sucker. So I thought about using, maybe trying to get a vacuum. Now if you did like this, it might work, I don't know. We could try it, but I thought what I would do is try and get a vacuum on a plastic hose here and maybe doing that. So now we've got, a problem. But, well, let's see if a little tape might fix this out. It's a bummer I can't use baling wire, but, maybe next time. Now, this one's pretty easy. It's a piece of conduit. I know this will work. Yeah, that's a good seal. Now the question is, will this work? I have no idea. I'd like to get a good seal around here. Let's try it. Give it a whirl. Maybe I can make it work. No, it isn't even trying to. I don't want to rip the dust cap off, but I'm willing to try it one time like this. Let's see. It worked. Huh. I got it. Well, I'll be damned. Fixed.